The father of Hazrat Abdullah bin Abu Qatada told him, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out for Hajj. So the people also went out along with him. He asked a group that included Hazrat Abu Qatada to go along the seashore and meet us. They took the route of the seashore. When they returned, all of them had worn the ihram, but Hazrat Abu Qatada did not wear it. When they were proceeding, they saw the onagers. Hazrat Abu Qatada attacked one of the onagers and injured it and brought it to us. The people dismounted, ate its flesh and said, "We are eating the flesh of a hunted animal." So we carried the rest of the meat. When we reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the people submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we were wearing the ihram and Hazrat Abu Qatada did not wear the ihram. We saw many wild asses. So Hazrat Abu Qatada attacked them and hunted a she-ass among them. We dismounted and ate its flesh. Then we said, "Should we eat the game while we are wearing ihram?" So we carried the rest of its meat. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Did anyone of you command to attack it or beckon to it?" They said, "No." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then eat its remaining meat." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1824.